Mastering the Art of Persuasive Essays. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of academic writing, specifically focusing on one of its most compelling types, the persuasive essay. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand its purpose, structure, and the techniques to make your arguments persuasive. Let's get started. A persuasive essay, also known as an argumentative essay, is a piece of academic writing where the author takes a stance on an issue and provides evidence and reasoning to convince readers of their point of view. It's not just about stating your opinion. It's about backing it up with credible information and presenting it in a way that sways your reader's opinion towards your own. A well-structured persuasive essay typically follows this format. 1. Introduction. Here, you introduce your topic and state your thesis or main argument. Grab your reader's attention with a hook, a compelling opening statement. 2. Body paragraphs. This is where you present your arguments and evidence. Start with your strongest point. Each paragraph should focus on one main point, supported by evidence. 3. Counter-argument. Address the opposing viewpoint. This showcases your comprehensive understanding of the topic and strengthens your position. 4. Conclusion. Summarize your main points and restate your thesis. End with a call to action or a thought-provoking statement. There are various techniques you can use to make your essay persuasive. 1. Ethos. Appeal to credibility. Showcase that you've done your research and know what you're talking about. 2. Pathos. Appeal to emotion. Make your readers feel something, be it excitement, fear, or empathy. 3. Logos. Appeal to logic. Use facts, statistics, and logical reasoning to make your argument undeniable. 4. Strong evidence. Always back up your claims with credible sources. Remember, your argument is only as strong as the evidence that supports it. 5. Clarity and cohesion. Make sure your essay flows smoothly. Each paragraph should lead seamlessly to the next, creating a cohesive argument. That's a wrap on persuasive essays. They're a powerful tool in academic writing, allowing you to express your opinions and convince others. Remember to always back up your arguments with evidence, and employ a mix of ethos, pathos, and logos for maximum persuasion. We hope you found this lesson insightful and are now better equipped to write your own compelling persuasive essays. Happy writing!